behind a curtain. Now I'm not. Guys, I'm sorry. It's just turned into one of those days that I don't know what's going on. I'm just doing random stuff in a video. What's up with my hand? So how are all of you doing? Are you guys struggling with the words that I'm trying to pronounce and it's not working out? So I was talking to my friend and I said, dude, Hynoski sounds exactly like someone trying to sneeze. It's just like, Hynoski! I'm so sorry, I did not mean to sneeze that loud. Wait, I feel another one coming. Hynoski! Just like that. People will sneeze, and it sounds like achoo, but sometimes they'll be like, they'll say random words. They'll be like, Kabazoo! Or, my car's on fire! Or, my cat just died! Stuff like that. I'm sick and tired of it. Back to the point. I am just trying to say that people in Mrs. Hynoski's class, I am sorry if you like her, but her name is just very distracting. If you say it 5 times fast, you're obviously going to sneeze. Hynoski, 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 Hynoski. Oh, man.